Karachi, the Pakistan Meteorological Department, PMD, has forecast intermittent showers and thunderstorms in Karachi today, Sunday. The maximum temperature in the port city is likely to range between 30 to 32 degrees centigrade with chances of 80% to 90% humidity. Karachi and other parts of Sindh could receive more rains till August 9th under the influence of monsoon currents that have entered the province. Related items: fresh rain spell hits parts of Karachi as government imposes monsoon emergency Sindh to receive new spell of rain from tomorrow, says Karachi weather to remain cloudy with chances of light rain in next 24 hours in its daily weather report. The PMD said that monsoon currents are penetrating in central and southern parts of the country. A westerly wave is also affecting western and upper parts of the country. The Met Office said that hot and humid weather is expected in most parts of the country. However, rain, wind/thunder shower is expected in Kashmir, Upper Punjab, Upper Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Gilgit-Baltistan. Rain, wind/thunder shower is expected at few places in Lower Sindh and North Balochistan. Urban flooding: the PMD warned that heavy rains may generate urban flooding in Karachi, Thada, Badin, Hyderabad, Dadu, Jamshoro, Sukkur, Larkana, Shahid Benazirabad and Mirpurkhas from August 11th to 13. On Saturday, the maximum temperature was 32. degrees centigrade with 73% humidity. Some parts of the city receive light rain or drizzle as the Met Office recorded 7 mm in Gulshan-e Hadid and 1.5 mm of rain in Kayamari.